Which has the most cheapest price?
Cheaper price Cambodian.
Cambodia. Oh, this is how much? This is Cambodian. How much? What is this?
Con gì đây bông? Con gì đây?
One is a real.
Yeah, look at it. Hello. Mama, how are you? How are you? Happy weekend? This is Cambodian native food. Very nice and very delicious. Cambodian native food is the best. Look at it here. How much is this? One is 3,000. 6,000. How much is it in dollar? $1.25. $1.5. So what is the name of this food? Okay, like this $1.5. Papaya. Native Cambodian native food. Pork meat. Wow, wonderful. Look at it.
You can try it. It's delicious.
Thank you so much. Very delicious. Look at it. $1.25. Buy one. You can buy one. Wow. One plate. How are you? $1.25. Look at it here. $1.25. Can you buy this kind of food in their country, America, Canada, US, Australia, this kind of price. Look at it here. $1.25 per one. So Cambodia street food is so cheapest. This is what is this? Burger. How much is this? How much?
$1.
One is $1. Wonderful. She said one is $1. Okay, this is a pizza. Cambodia pizza. Okay, one is $1. Wonderful. Oh, this is how much? How much is this? This is $2.50. Why this one is $1, right? Okay. So can you buy this pizza over there in the United States? $2.25. Very cheap. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend. $2.25 per pizza. Wow, this is mango. Hello. How much is this mango? How much? 3,000. She said 3,000, which is about 75 cents. It's not up to $1 for 2 pieces of mango. She's about to garnish it with spices. Look at it. Very nice and delicious. 3,000 per one. 75 cents, which is not up to $1. That's rich Cambodia food for you in Phnom Penh. Hello, how much is this? How much? This is crab. Big one, small one. This is chicken legs. Please try to make sure you cover this. Cover it because of flies. Please. Okay? Let's see how much she sell one box of this. You don't know the price? 15,000 per plate. This is seafood. 15,000 per one. Wonderful. I love enjoying Cambodia street food. What is this? What is this? Huh? What is this?
Con gì đây bông? Con gì đây?
What is this?
Đó, con xuống sấy kê. Theo qua tới nằm púng. Mà xay. Waffle.
Made with what? By. She don't know what. This is pure colored. I don't know what is that. This is durian.
Durian, yeah.
How much is one? 1 kilo?
1 kilo,
100 17,000.
17,000.
17,000.
Yeah.
So 17,000
$4.25.
dollar.
Yeah.
That
$4.25
Yeah.
per one,
You can-
like this, or per kilo.
Per kilo.
Per kilo.
Per kilo. Okay.
Per kilo is $4.25
Yeah.
for 1 kilo.
Yes.
So over there in United States of America, Canada, Australia, can you buy this per kilo $4.25?
Yeah. you like
said
to try one?
she said
Would you like
yes.
to try?
Have you been to America before?
No.
So how do you know per kilo over there in America should be
I
sold?
know because like it's not America. I went to Dubai for 3 years. I just back to Cambodia
Okay.
for 1 year.
Okay, over there in Dubai, how much is it?
It's around 10 or something. I almost forget already, but it's like by 2 to 3 times as Cambodia.
Okay,
You know,
between Dubai and Cambodia, which
it's just lower, of course.
which has the most cheapest price?
Cheaper price Cambodian.
Cambodia.
Yes, and freshness as well.
And
But
fresh,
you know,
yeah.
in the Dubai, I cannot find the fresh one there. I only take the frozen because you know during that time I really like to want to try
Yes,
it.
you can hear her. Over there in Dubai is so expensive than in Cambodia.
Yeah.
Cambodia has the most cheapest one and fresh one.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sir.
Have a nice
Have a good
weekend.
day.
Thank you.
Have a
Bye
good day
bye.
in Cambodian, yes. Thank you.
So durian here, one per 1 kilo is $4.25 to compare any other countries. Unbelievable. I can't believe this. Let's see how much some other food item is being sold here in Cambodia. This is cricket, crayfish, spider, and many other ants.
Hello, man. Hello, daddy. Buddha fly. You fly, you had a Buddha.
This is Riverside. Hello. Mama. How are you? Happy weekend? How much is this? How much? 2,000 rand. One is 2,000. Beef? This is beef, right? Beef. Pig meat. One is 2,000 rand. It's not up to half a dollar per one. Half a dollar per one. 2,000 rand. Thank you, Mama. How much is this? Egg. One. How much? 1,000 rand. It's not up to a dollar. Look at how everybody is seated around this river eating their daily basis. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.